The weather today because it's so delightful. We've got our front south of our coast now continuing to move south. Temperatures 70s, low humidity, beautiful blue skies after some pretty clouds this morning. And our temperatures right now 70s pretty much all over the place. So looking at what to expect over the next couple days, gorgeous for the rest of the week, slowly warming up toward the weekend though. Rain is expected in the first part of the day. Sunday timing could change a bit, but that's how it's looking now. And our next big fall cold front, a bigger front, a true fall cold front coming about a week from today. So something to look forward to there. However, look at this, dew point temperatures 40s to about 50. That is some really dry and for a lot of us very pleasant and comfortable feeling air. Winds are coming in from the north now, gusting up to about 15 plus miles per hour. So that bit of a breeze feels really nice. So I hope you enjoy whatever you're doing today. Our front has moved a little farther south compared to this morning. We have a few clouds, especially near the coast, but a lot of spots are seeing that brighter sunshine come out and clearer skies as that surface high builds in. Today, high temperatures about 80, really pleasant feel. Our average is 79 for this point in October, so close to that at least. And then tonight, get ready, North Shore lows in the 40s could make it feel pretty chilly for your Thursday morning. And south of the lake, we get this effect with north winds hitting that warmer lake. Those waters retain the heat, of course, more than air lands. So it hits the water and warms up a little bit. So that's why our temperatures are higher right along the south shore of Lake Pontchartrain compared to the North Shore or even away from the city. You could start the day in the 50s tomorrow, feeling really dry and pleasant. Looking ahead to the weekend and just the big bullet points on what to expect Sunday morning and possibly afternoon. We're expecting our next rain and storm system, 1 to 2 or so inches of rain. That would be great to help with the drought. Not so great if you have outdoor plans, though. You may have to dodge some rain. Severe weather does not look especially high this far out, but we'll see as we get a bit closer. It looks like we can probably not rule out at least a couple of strong storms during the day on Sunday. Saturday evening, though, we're doing fine. This is Saturday night at midnight. A couple of showers possible, just a slight rain chance Saturday, but then increasing for Sunday morning. I've paused it here at 10 a.m. and then 4 p.m. You can see this next system is going to roll through with those showers and storms and probably dry out by Sunday night. And then we stay somewhat warm Monday and Tuesday next week ahead of that next big front. Crew of Boo Parade, it's happening this Saturday evening and it looks fine at this point. Keep your eye on it, but it only has a 20% rain chance because you saw all the significant rain might be west of us still at that point, and temperatures in the 70s. Wanted to say really quickly hi to St. Rita's School. We had 7th graders come today and they did such a nice job looking at everything very politely, nice questions. I showed them how to make a weather forecast. They really liked being here where I am on the green screen and played with our green kind of blanket, and they really enjoyed looking at the control room as well. So anyway, thank you to Melissa Stroop and Alexa Trischler to set that up. Tropical storm Melissa is out here in the Caribbean Sea, and notice it's kind of lopsided. It's got some westerly shear, but it's over warm waters, and the latest 10 a.m. advisory actually has it drifting toward Jamaica and maybe becoming a Category 3 major hurricane by this weekend, and that would be a slow mover kind of system. So you can see tropical storm watches out, Jamaica, hurricane watches even for Haiti, and it looks like Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and other spots in the Caribbean could see several inches of rain this weekend and early next week with this system. We have a big high pressure here, and this is eventually going to bring a flow that brings it off to the north into the western Atlantic next week. So this is going to be, again, a very slow moving system drifting a little bit out to the northwest and then probably taking its path off to the north and northeast sometime middle of next week, early to mid next week. So this is going to be something we talk about for a while, especially with those rain impacts and potentially wind impacts as well for some of those Caribbean islands. Again, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and maybe eventually parts of Cuba and the Bahamas, depending on where exactly it drifts. So keep your eye on that if you have plans in the Caribbean or know people there. Our 7-day forecast is showing here we're warming up this weekend with that rain chance highest early Sunday, and then just outside the 7-day is a beautiful fall cold front that, of course, we'll talk more about in the coming days.
Thank you, Alex. Coastal Restoration Agency.